reign supreme. I am that sister depicted on Egyptian hieroglyphics and ancient pyramid walls, that quiet source of strength that allowed pharaohs to walk tall. And even though Hollywood let white women play my part, have no doubt that my Egyptian skin was and always will be dark. I am queen. And the same way I helped Pharaoh stand, I helped African kings rule the motherland. I birthed beautiful black babies and encouraged villages to raise them. I was worshipped by men, and in return, was glad to praise them. Royalty in the flesh, we treated each other well, and I gladly stood by his side, even as we faced hell. Devastated, I watched my people be enslaved, and still, my all I gave. I am queen. Wow. Though captured like an animal and ripped from my land, though forbidden to speak my language and kept from my men, still my head I held high, and my family I held down. Head dreaming of better days, but feet firmly planted on the ground. I took the master's abuse, and I watched my brothers take it too, but I persevered because, well, that's just what queens do. Wow. I am queen. Even today, though it may seem not to be the case, oh, I still wear that crown. Though for some, it's been misplaced. My heart's heavy sometimes, but I keep a smile on my face because, sisters, we are queens. Believe it, no matter what they say is true. You've got the blood of God's first creation flowing through you. They may tell you that you're ugly, unworthy. But even those efforts to deceive can't change the fact that you are a descendant of Eve, of Nefertiti, of Nzinga, of Harriet Tubman and Sojourner Truth, even of our poetic sister Maya Angelou. See, there is greatness down to the very core of you. We are queens. Embrace it, believe it, and then encourage other sisters to be. How y'all doing, Savannah?